Okay, so I'm going to make this really quick. Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you on my phone how to use Quora to research. Very quickly, I'm just going to run through it. I don't want this thing to be more than 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes at most. So let's go. Quora is actually a social media site. You can actually use in listening to what it is that your customers are actually saying, the kind of questions that they are also asking that are not willing to even share with you if you chat them, if they are chatting with you. So here you begin to see people who are in that line, who are in that category, and if you can, sleep on the matters that your customers always ask, you are more likely. Most people go through the same. Like if you have, for instance, your target audience are moms, most moms go through the same experience. Okay, when they have kids, or when they are pregnant, or when they are giving birth, most parents have the same experience. Not all parents may go through operation or CNS. Okay, but all parents, when they give birth, they kind of go through similar experiences with their children. Okay, kids waking up in the middle of the night, start crying, or kids just wake up in the middle of the night to just start playing. That's the time that the kid wants to start playing, right? And you have to wake up and play with that kid, or be there to attend that kid when that kid starts crying. So most parents have similar. So same thing with every other niche. They may not go through all of them, but you're able to capture a good number of their problems, and so you're able to know what kind of promise you're going to give them, or the kind of desire you're going to. Why these people are messing up like this? Are you okay? Okay, so now you go on Quora. Now let's pick a product. Almost all the products use similar way to research, but let's pick a product. Let's pick jewelry. Let's say we want to do research for a jewelry brand and want to look for content ideas so that we can start writing, following up on our audience, or start giving them value based on our content. So we're going to be using jewelry this time around. So what you do, you click on the search button on Quora. If you click on the search button on Quora, I don't know why mine is wasting time. Okay, network is poor. Okay, so you click, then the next thing you search for. Let's do. Now the thing that basically almost all the niches are just the same. If it is shoe, fashion, content marketing, copywriting, digital marketing, anything at all, it's just the same. Then you click on search. When you click on jewelry, you click on search, you begin to see different kind of questions that you can actually use in crafting your content, okay, for your business. Okay, now the thing is that anytime you're doing your research, remember that creating content is not easy, so you have to do a lot of brainstorming. That's why a lot of people get really angry when people plagiarize their content, because it's a whole lot of stress for content creators to look out for content for their audience, and then someone is plagiarizing. It's very painful. Now you search jewelry and you click go. It's very painful when someone is trying to so we chose jewelry initially, but jewelry was not going through. Let's choose another thing. I think jewelry is broad. Let's choose necklace. Okay, so I decided to go for necklace instead. So if you look at necklace, you see, if you scroll up, you keep scrolling up, you see What are different types of necklaces? What's your favorite style of necklace? Is it okay to sleep with necklace on? I think jewelry is broad, safe. I think this one is okay. What's the meaning of she wore a pearl necklace? Is okay, I don't know. Where is the best place to go sell a pearl necklace? Okay, across a necklace. So you see, you can choose anything that you want from Quora, and then you begin to see questions that people are asking. Now, let's take what type of necklace should I wear with this dress? Let's copy. I'm trying to see. Okay, so let's copy. So we're going to do something now, but that will be. I don't know if this will be able to take that, but let me do it in this video. Then what you now do, you go to google.com. You go to google.com. If it's 3 minutes, I'll cut it and then I will complete it in another video. Let's go to google.com. Let's go to Google. So we paste that particular topic, which is one of them. Now, whenever you're doing research, ensure that you write many of them out. Don't just say, because you have 10 topics, so you gotta relax. No. If you're planning a 30-day content, you will not use 10 topics, will not be okay now. You need more topics. So what you do is that you write out those ones that kind of those ones that catch your intrigue, and use them to place on Google. Now, this is number one thing I want you to look at. Based on what I type, you see what kind of necklace should I wear with my wedding dress? This is another powerful content. You can write that out. How to choose necklace for wedding dress? How do I wear a necklace with my wedding dress? Should I wear jewelry with my wedding dress? What jewelry should I wear with my dress? You can also write, what jewelry should I never wear with my dress? Okay, so I decide to fire down. So okay, let's go like that. You write all those ones. You can decide to write all those things. And these are content ideas. You get, these are real content ideas. Now, when I typed it, look at what I saw. You can see that it still took topic from Quora. So you see that they all work hand in hand. Now, another place I want you to look at is people also ask. How do I choose a dress necklace? How do I choose fashion jewelry? You can write all these things down and start doing your research. Okay, so this is just how to do research on your Quora. It's a powerful tool, a very powerful tool. If you join it with the other video I sent to you, right, you're going to explode with content ideas. Like, you can never run out of content ideas. Okay, so already you have 10, you already have 6 coming from Quora, you had an extra 8 coming from Google. Put that on Answer Socrates, and boom, you're good to go. Before you know it, you have a lot of ideas bursting through your brain, and before you know it, your brain is also working. Ideas are coming up, just the way I said, this is that you never wear with on your wedding dress. So just like that, before you know it, content ideas are coming up, and then you have so many ideas that you need to plan, okay, how you want to create those ideas. And now the best thing to do, especially if you're a busy person, is to invest on automation tools. So you can help schedule your posts, especially on Facebook, email this and all of that. You can just schedule all of them and go to your work, and it will just automatically send it to your list. Okay, so I just hope that you got value from this video.